How to get an Amazon Audible free trial. I'm right here on this Amazon Audible page where you can get your free trial. So first things first, if you click the link in the video description just below this video, I have a free trial for you. You actually get 30 days free trial with my link. If you click that link, you'll find yourself on a page like this or very similar, depending on how Amazon change it. But all you need to do is you will click this button right here to try Amazon Audible. So you will click here and fill in your details and you'll get that Audible free trial. I'm not going to do it right now as I already have Audible. I'm just not logged in right here. But this is for new customers only. Auto renews at $8.99 per month after the 30-day period, and you can cancel at any time. So it's a 30-day free trial. Cancel at any time. There's no risk to you. Hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.